Here we are in the orange light cast by this light right here. Now, anyway, this old pump corner is actually not what I want to show you. What I want to show you, or let you hear, is a replica of a K5LA and an SL4T. Both air horns used by Amtrak. The SL4T is a very rare horn. And I've taken the keys and the tuning on the horns, and I've figured out just what key signature, it's this one right here, what exactly sounds just like that horn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a couple, I guess you would call toots from each horn. But you're going to hear a K5LA first and then an SL4T. And so that you can hear a little bit of depth to it, instead of putting you on the organ, I'm going to set you down over here, facing the stair step. So first we're going to have the K5LA. Next up, we're going to have the SL4T. It was a horn used in early Amtrak. They don't use them anymore, and they're extremely rare horns to find these days, to find a complete original. So enjoy the SL4T. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. I will have the tuning to these two horns in the description, so you can just look down there to see the tuning to the horns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.